Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So Instagram doesn't offer any official way to check your unfollowers. In this video, we will show you how you can check who has unfollowed you on Instagram. So if you open the Instagram application first, so the most basic ways to do it is manually. Go to your Instagram profile, tap on followers, and here search for a name to check if they are following you or not. Another way is go to that person's profile you think can unfollow you and tap on following. Now here search for your own name to check if they are following you or not. This is obviously very time consuming if you have a lot of followers. So the other way to check who unfollowed you on Instagram is to use a third party app. So for this, just open the Instagram application and in the search bar you just have to search for follow meter for Instagram and then install this application into your device. This is available for both Android and iOS users. Once the app is installed, tap on this open and you need to sign in with your credentials. So this is how the app's home page looks like. You have to wait it to complete this checking followers. And now tap on this refresh button in the top right corner. So here you can see the second option, unfollowers. If you tap on it, you can see the people who has unfollowed you recently. This app can only show your unfollowers from the day you set up your account. You won't get any data regarding who followed you or unfollowed you in the past. So one thing you have to remember, since these apps are not authorized by Instagram, your account security could be at risk. So using this app, you can easily keep a track on the people who have unfollowed you on Instagram. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.